Welcome back, folks. It's Saturday the 19th of March. Today I'm going to try and sort my asparagus plants out that we planted last year. Sarah planted these for me in little cell trays, and that's what we got. And in there they look a bit of a mess at the moment, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to pull these out and then just break the top off like this. Just clean them up. Yeah, that's what they look like. They're just starting to grow. And I'm planting these in 1.5 litre pots. And I'll show you how we're doing it. This is Jack's Magic's compost. So I'll make a little divot in there, and I've been had this root grown mycorrhizal fungi. I had this from Home Base, that when they were shutting down, that was about £1 a packet, so I had 4 or 5 packets, what they got. So I'm putting a bit of that in. I don't know if it do any good or not, so I've just been sprinkling a little bit in. And this is Martha Washington, the variety. So I've been putting that in there, pushing it down like that, and just give them a tap, try and tidy it up. This is off one packet of seeds. I'll tell you how many I've got in a bit when I finish potting them up. So I'll catch you in a bit when I've potted them up, folks. Right, folks, there we are, we potted it up. I've got 45 out of one packet of seed. And there we go, there's a variety. And I've got some Comfrey Bocking 19 down there. When it starts coming up, I shall plant that somewhere, locate it on the allotment. I come down the allotment and this little fella turned up. I don't know who put him there, but I suppose I think he looks like me. And I've got some frog spawn in my pond now. There we go. A big lump in there. See it? There, be glad when they hatch. bought myself a little solar panel water fountain. It was £10 something on eBay, but I don't know how good it'll be. I want some sunshine to see if it works, as it can go back. And the next week or so I'll be putting my wildflower seed all around the pond. Keep raking it to get it nice and fine for the seed. And my tunnel, I've just ordered the sheet today, so that should be here next week. So if it's nice and warm next weekend, I might get it put on. Put some plants, some herbs in me trough. I bought all these from the Edible Garden Show. The big ones were £1.50 and the little ones were £1. And see what I got. That's some Italian oregano, but I've dug that up off the allotment already. Got some spearmint there. Common thyme. Purple sage. Marjoram. Doon Valley thyme. And rosemary. This old seed, and I didn't germinate very good. These are cauliflowers all year round. This is Calabrese Green Magic. Now went a bit leggy because I left them in a propagator too long. And that's Hispy cabbage. And then we got these are my giant onions. They look rubbish. They are there. I think I might invest in a grow tent and grow lights next year. These are red Baron onions. They don't look too bad. And these are delphiniums. I grew from seed last year and they're just coming back up now. A few in there. Be giving most of them away, I suppose. Strawberry plants, what I got left over from mine. Elephant garlic. There's a parva poppy in there. Sweet peas. And then root trainers. These are some Picasso potatoes I got chitting. That was another parva poppy. He don't look very good, from Wilco. That was the only one that was in the packet that wasn't rotten. These I can't pronounce it. These were from Aldi. I don't know how I was going to locate them on the around my pond, so I just put them in cell trays. Some more potatoes in me for chitting. A Picasso again. This is one of my little bee book boxes, and Mr. Woodpecker's been started on them already. If you have a look, he's even tried drilling through the side. You never see him when you got the camera to take a picture of him doing it. Right, this is somebody else's plot now, and they've got an old polytunnel frame and they've made it into he's going to have to grow his brassicas in here, and he'll probably store all his plants, but he's put debris net in and he had some metal bent for the sides, so he had straight sides on it. Fancy doors, look, double glazed, and I'll try and open it and go in. Good friend of mine, this flat, but he's just joined the debris netting with. Oh, he's put a cord along, and he's put little wire twists. I must say, Terry, yours looks better. I shall have to buy Norman a sewing machine, I think. But anyway, it's still a good job. And double glazed doors both ends. You see what he's done on the frame. He bought this metal here, and he bent it, just put a tube on, but he got the wrong size of metal when he bought it, so there we go. He's been in there with a rotavator.